Important tips for lifting during pregnancy, specifically thinking about like picking up a kid off the ground or a box or anything off the ground really. So Melissa's going to demonstrate here, and I'm going to have her first turn to the side so you can see the very first thing you need to be doing before you go to lower down to the ground is making sure that your deep core is connected correctly. So by doing that, you want to exhale to lightly connect pelvic floor, lower belly. Notice how Melissa's belly lifts upward, and she's getting this nice link through her body. So she's already supported in her upper body. That gives her back so much more support, so that way when she does go to lower down, she's not going to injure her back. And then go ahead and turn back to camera so that way everyone can see. So she's lifting upward through her torso, supported lightly through her core, then she's going to lower down. She's got a staggered stance here. That can be very helpful, especially as pregnancy progresses. So once you lower down, you want to make sure that you're connecting pelvic floor, lower belly first, and you're using your legs. Use those glutes and hamstrings, and then go ahead and exhale and lift back up. Okay, and then I'm going to have her turn to the side here so we can see what's going on from a postural perspective. So in that staggered stance, again, lifting upward through the torso to lower down. And when she gets down here, notice how nice and lengthened she is from the base of her pelvis to the top of her head. And I want her to just show something of what I want you to avoid doing, which is a rounding forward. Because when we round forward, we put too much stress in our neck and in the low back. And if she were to lift up right here, the stress is going to all go to the low back. So instead, she's going to lengthen her spine back out. She's connected pelvic floor, lower belly, and then she's going to use her glutes and hamstrings to lift her up. So she has nice support. And in doing that motion, the more you can practice that, the easier it's going to get for you. Not only are you strengthening your body, but it also can help to minimize and prevent and also get rid of aches and pains, specifically in the back. And this is one where you can practice like alternating your left leg forward one time and the next time do right leg forward. You might find that one leg is a little bit easier for you, but it's also a great way to challenge your body and switch it up from time to time. For more information, check out knockedupfitness.com.